Hey card making friends, this is Trisha Morris from Club Scrap with another beautiful collection from Club Scrap. This is our Bright Blooms card kit, and with it you can make a total of 12 beautiful cards, and you'll even have the envelopes. Now inside the box you're going to find 2 of these gorgeous prints, and then 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white super smooth stock, plus 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 pink, and 2 black. Again, all of these are really nice heavyweight cardstock. In fact, the orange is actually also the pink because it's a duplex paper. A very exciting paper collection here. You are going to love it. And on top of that, we include 2 12 by 12 sheets of pre-printed cut aparts. These have been carefully mapped out to help you complete your cards both inside and out. In addition to those paper items, you'll find plenty of ribbon to help adorn your cards. We've got a 3/8 inch yellow grosgrain here, this gorgeous 5/8 inch metallic satin, and then 2 yards of black jute. There are a set of 4 scallop edged white tags, 4 of these darling flower patches, a whole sheet of self-adhesive rhinestone gems, and a dozen envelopes, 4 each of 3 sizes to fit the cards we're going to make together. Our first set of 4 cards are nice and simple, just a single fold anchored with some of that beautiful ribbon and adorned with the patch and a couple of those sweet little rhinestone gems. Our next set of 4 cards are really simple as well. I'll walk you through creating the strips for this quilted card style to frame the center sentiment, and then we'll adorn them with some more of those gems and a little jute bow. Our next set of 4 cards are a nice simple 5x7 folded card base featuring that scalloped tag, some of the neat ribbon, the rhinestone gems, and a silly sentiment inside. What's really nice about our card kits is that they include a meticulously detailed set of printable instructions, but that's not all. You're going to be able to follow along with my video workshop, and I will guide the way to help you complete all 12 of these cards, no problem. So join us at Club Scrap, and I look forward to seeing you in the Bright Blooms card kit workshop.